Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. Today we are talking about check sheets, and check sheets are also one of the 7 basic quality tools, also known as 7QC. Now, if you would want to read an article on check sheets, first link in the description will take you to our website pmclounge.com and the related article on check sheets on that website. So first link in the description, very important if you are into reading. Second link in the description, as always, the entire playlist of all the 7 QC tools is available. Check that out. And third link in the description is every single video that we have done on quality management knowledge area. If you have forgotten, if you have lost track, 7QC, 7 quality tools are of course part of the quality management knowledge area, and we are talking about quality management knowledge area these days. So with that being clear, that being said, let's get started and understand what check sheets are. The topic of check sheets is actually not very uncommon. There are some other names of check sheets, and I'm pretty sure once we talk about them, you will have an idea of what check sheet is. So, other names of check sheets are tally sheets and checklists, and I'm sure this word must sound familiar to you. Checklist is nothing but yet another name for check sheets, the concept that we are talking about today. We have our normal simple day-to-day to-do list that a lot of people actually maintain. And what do we do there is basically we have a list of items that we want to work on, and as soon as we finish working on them, we start checking them off. So check sheets are used to ensure that a series of steps are followed consistently. So check sheets basically, it also has a series of steps or series of items that you need to follow or you need to work on. So this helps in keeping things on track. This helps in keeping things consistent. Now, how does a check sheet look like? Do I really need to tell you? But since we have been looking at examples of every single of the 7 basic quality tools, let me give you an example of check sheet as well, just to continue the tradition. So there you have it. I'm not saying anything else. I hope you understand what check sheet is now. Now, before we discuss check sheets further, let me remind you all the PMP courseware articles and videos are available on our official website pmclounge.com, and this is the direct link pmclounge.com/PMP training with a dash in between. Do check this out. Now, you can always use a check sheet to organize the test activities that you will be performing. So if you're working on a software development project or any other project for that matter that requires certain testing activities, you can always use a check sheet or a checklist to organize and list all the test activities that you will be performing. One of the advantages of this is the fact that you have all the test activities organized, and then you can start noting down the result of performing these test activities. So once you have the results, this check sheet is eventually going to help you track the results of the test activities and also track whether a product passes or fails the quality criteria. One last thing, note that check sheets are often used as a means of gathering the data that's displayed in the Pareto charts or even other trending and charting tools. So Pareto charts is something which we recently talked about. Second link in the description that takes you to all the 7 quality videos, the 7 quality tools videos. Do check that out. Pareto charts will be listed there. So that's all that we had in this quick video. Hope you are able to understand what check sheets are. Important concept as far as PMP exam is concerned. In fact, all 7 quality tools you must know because these are important from PMP exam point of view. Do hit a like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified. And don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you.